Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert multiple image PNG to SVG in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PNG file. Here we can see here multiple image. Now you want to convert this multiple image to SVG. Go to the file menu. Select this export as option and choose the file type is SVG. Then wait some moment. We can see here the file preview. Now I am click this save option. Wait some moment. We can see here the saving the file. Now I am go to the download location and click right button to the file and go to the properties and check the file type. We can see here the file type is SVG. Now we can see we convert the multiple image PNG to SVG in Photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.